My name is Benjamin Button. I was born under unusual circumstances. While everybody was aging, I was getting younger. Then came along a little kid.
Ben! Benjamin! Benjamin! Hey, Benjamin! Benjamin, are you dead? Are you deaf? Benjamin!
What?
Why are you so old?
I'm not old. I'm not old! I'm just... it's too hard. Okay, let me explain.
Good luck explaining it to a kid who doesn't know what 5 times 5 is.
25.
Since when?
Since when they made it up. A long time ago.
What?
Yes, they made up all math facts. A long time ago. Like 1 plus 1. What's 1 plus 1?
5?
Good job!
What?
You got it right!
I did?
No. So what do you want?
Can you tell me about your older years?
Okay. Well...
I learned to play basketball. It didn't go so well.
What else did you do?
I learned to dance.
Oh, my hip! Oh! Okay, let's do this again.
I bet that didn't go well.
Well, it didn't.
Wow, that was really interesting. Nah. Can you tell me about your middle years? Middle years, yeah. See, I even have a speech impairment. Middle years.
Well...
I got in a sword fight with a ninja.
Well, did you win? I mean, it's a ninja.
You could say that. Well, at that point, I was terrified. And that's all I did in my mid-years.
Wow, man, this is interesting. Well, too bad I have to go, you old freak.
Ah! 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 Ah!